Hi there, this is Anna, and today I have a walkthrough for you from this traveler's notebook. So this was actually I think it's has a weekly spread here that I just did not follow through with. And so at a certain point, I just decided to do my favorite photos from 2017 to fill out the rest of it. So I have a few weeks here where I've just kind of done a little weekly spread, but then I guess my son was born, and so I got a little distracted by things, and so I still wanted to use the notebook. So instead I did some more basic layouts in the rest of it. So most of these are kits that I have printed from Pixel Scrapper, and I don't know if I can remember them all. I think this is the New Day bundle, or is it Good Day? It's maybe the Good Day. New Day is a different one. This is the problem when I'm no good at titling my different bundles, but then of course if you are trying to remember what they are, it can be a challenge. This is the City Bicycle kit, which does have a print kit included if you just want to print things without, a lot of hassle of doing, aligning different things yourself first. These papers I know are from the Oxford bundle. And this is the Sophia bundle. Oh, this one looks like it needs a little bit better, something better sticking it down. I don't know which bundle this is. It's a fun floral pattern. I feel like something in the summer, but I don't remember right now. This paper is from one of the Seriously Floral bundles. This is fun. These are just a random collection of things from various different, not a specific bundle. Some of these are more basic, and some are a bit more involved. This is from the Teacup bundle back here, this background paper. I've got lots of tea-themed things in my bundles if you're a tea drinker. This is the Away We Go, Oh, the Places You'll Go bundle. It seems like I just made some of these, but I guess this was a while ago now. I like this layout. This is from Little Tokyo in LA. Does this come out? Oh, it does. A little journaling in there. Oh, this is a fun one. I think this might be when I started doing the Good Life, so I think this might be June. The June Good Life. And this is from the Seriously Floral. More tea photos. This is the Remembrance bundle, I believe. Oh, this is a good one. This is, I believe, the July Good Life. One of my most favorites from all the Good Lives I've done. And that is the end of that. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.